Hey, hello, this is Marisol Lopez. Okay, today's October 25th, and we'll be talking about the structures of the brain and briefly mentioning disease of the nervous system. Okay, so we're going to start with naming off from the inferior view. Okay, see if we could do this from this angle. We have here the olfactory bulb, okay, the optic nerve, optic chiasma, optic tract. Then we have the mammillary body, midbrain. We have here a meninges. Okay. On this side, we have the parietal lobe, the pons, the medulla oblongata. Okay, and here on this side, we have a cranial nerve right there. All right. And let's not forget the cerebellum here. All right. I think we got everything. Let's go ahead and get a superior view. All right. All right. So here we have the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, okay, and the cerebellum. Okay. And we have the medulla oblongata. Alrighty. And we have here, hard to see in the video, but the sulcus right here and the gyrus. All right. And now we have, let me try turning it this way. Okay, this is the cerebrum. And we split it or pull it back a little bit right here. We're able to see, maybe if it turns sideways. Okay, we're able to see up here the pineal gland. Okay, the corpora quadrigemina and the cerebellum. Alrighty. Okay, and if we go ahead and pull it a little bit, we're able to see the corpus callosum in the center. All right, so if we go ahead and split it and cut it down the middle here too. Alrighty, we're able to see, let's see, turn it on this angle. Maybe this way. Yeah. Okay. So we're able to see the corpus callosum, okay, the thalamus, the hypothalamus, okay, the optic chiasma. Then we see the mammillary body, the midbrain. All right, and here we're able to see right here the pineal gland. Okay. Then we see the pons, then the medulla oblongata. We open it up here. Open it up entirely. We get the spinal cord, and we get the central canal right here in the middle. All right. And up here we have gray matter. Okay. The cerebellum. and arborvitae are here in the white part. Okay. Thing that just about explains the brain. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Get these off. And let me turn the camera so that we now can talk about a common disease that is of the nervous system. So the disease that I'm going to talk about today is Alzheimer's disease. So according to our textbook, Alzheimer's disease is a progressive, incurable form of mental deterioration. So what happens with people who are showing signs and symptoms and are diagnosed with Alzheimer's is they show memory loss. They show unable to take care of themselves. And it's a progressive disease. Unfortunately, it's at the end stage is with 7 stages, it's a fatal disease. So what happens with people who show that have signs of Alzheimer's is they have a buildup of proteins in the cells. And this buildup, what ends up happening is they end up forming tingles and blockage. And unfortunately, there is no medication to slow down the process. And what else? I think that's about it. So anyways, that's a walkthrough of the structure of the brain and a nervous disease. Thank you. Once again, Marisol Lopez.